Ngwatanio ya One Kenya Alliance oka ni yavikiana Kuweta kana Syama Ila Nthini wayo syaile ikia saii ya wiw'ano umunthi indi kyathi kiu kyavikiana kyakuiiw'a maiweta kitumi ta kwamba uminana na maundu maumilile ma miao Nthini wa uneeni ula waumw'a ni Mutongoi wa NARC Kenya Martha Karua ni kana oka niyathingiliila Nikwatene na yathocha Syama Ila Ingi ikwenda uthukuma namo atongoi ala angi mevikite kikaloni ki ni Kalonzo Musyoka wa Wiper mwene kivila wa KANU Gideon Moi na Mutongoi wa UDP Cyrus Jirongo.
Thank you, gentlemen and ladies of the press. You can see we are all here, the 4 OCA principles, reaffirming our unity of purpose and solidarity and commitment with the people of Kenya to build a just, inclusive, and prosperous Kenya with inclusive leadership. We were to sign our coalition agreement today, but we have postponed to polish certain legal issues that have arisen. Nevertheless, we are committed to our unity, and in a few days, we will be letting you know the time we shall sign the agreement. We still are open to receive other parties that we are talking to into the OCA coalition and to building coalition with other Kenyans so that we can achieve our objective of being able to form government alone or with others in order to fulfill the urgent needs of Kenyans.
We're happy to report that the best legal minds are now working on it and have assured us that by this week it will be over and we'll be good to go early next week. Thank you very much.